What's up guys, B-Scene here, and today we're going to be shooting a tutorial for a Schwarzkopf Professional at the Fan House Studio in Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's get to it. I'll be showing you how to do a bold 90s inspired look with natural tones using the new Schwarzkopf Professional IGORA Royal. First, you want to section the front bold piece, going 2 inches back and clipping them away. With Formula 1, you want to start applying from top to bottom, covering the base first. I like to work this way for speed and efficiency. I try not to use too many clips when I'm applying. When you finish applying the base, you want to go ahead and work through the ends with the same formula. Once you finish the back section, before you move on to the front, use a piece of saran wrap to cover Formula 1. The front does not get stained. Start by applying Formula 2 to the base of the front sections. And you can flip it right over top with saran wrap. Make sure you saturate really well. And once that's completed, you're gonna let it process for about 25 minutes. You're gonna rinse using the Schwarzkopf Professional Fiber Clinic's Vibrancy Shampoo and Conditioner. I wanna introduce guest artist Ashley Phillip for the styling.
So I'll be doing your classic sleek blowout using an 1¼ inch round brush, over directing to smooth things out. Using the Osis Texture Craft Spray, teasing at the root for volume. Using the Osis Dust It, which is my favorite product, adds that grip and grit you need, really holds the volume. And that's the final look.